Southcentral Alaska schools closed amid snowstorm and power outages. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A massive snowstorm that intensified overnight Wednesday has closed most South-Central Alaska schools Thursday, with the electric crews restoring powers from the several outages. School districts in the Anchorage and the Matsu Borough, as well as the Kenai Peninsula Borough, have declared a remote learning day for the Thursday due to the storm, and the University of Alaska Anchorage is also closed for the day. State of Alaska offices in the Anchorage and the Matsu Borough have also closed for the day, and in Anchorage, People Mover and the Anchorage Rides bus services have been cancelled for the day. Alaska state troopers said in an online dispatch early Thursday that the Stewart Highway between Portage and Crown Point was impassable due to the snow and stranded vehicles, despite state road crews' efforts to clear the highway. Winter driving conditions exist on the entire Kenai Peninsula, and extreme caution should be taken, preferably for essential travel only. Anchorage police spokeswoman reported no crashes, but 33 stranded vehicles between midnight and 8:30 a.m. Thursday local time was located. The National Weather Service said online that 9 inches of the snow fell in Anchorage on Wednesday, more than an inch beyond the previous record set in 1982. Early season snowfall this winter has shattered local records, including both Wednesday's jump and Sunday's first persistent snowfall in Anchorage. The storm brought several power outages across the region, with the electric company reporting power losses in Hope and Jewwood early Thursday. The Matanuska Electric Association reported 550 members without power Thursday morning after 1,600 members outage in the Chugaik, Mirror Lake and Eklutna areas. The Homer Electric Association initially reported about 3,700 members without power, primarily in the Sterling, with about half of those member services restored by 7:30 a.m. Thursday local time. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.